Concept of division. We will learn this concept starting from a story. Neha and Priya were two friends. They decided to go to the rose garden. There were beautiful red roses. They wanted to have some roses. The gardener instructed to pluck from a particular corner. There were 10 roses in that corner. They wanted to have it equally. They struck a deal. Both will simultaneously pluck one flower at a time. Now let's see how Priya and Neha started to take flowers. One flower Priya, one flower Neha. Again 2 each, then 3 each, then 4 each, and at last 5 each. So how many flowers did each of them get? Yes, they got 5 flowers each. So what did Priya and Neha actually did? Yes, they divided or shared the flowers equally. Let's understand it in another way. How many flowers were there? Do you remember? Yes, there were 10 flowers. And how many girls? There were 2 girls, Neha and Priya. And we saw earlier, 2 girls shared 10 flowers. It means we have to divide 10 flowers in 2 groups. How many flowers each got? Remember? Yes, they got 5 flowers each. We can also represent it as total number of flowers divided by number of girls is equal to number of flowers each girl got. How many flowers were there? Yes, there were 10 flowers. And how many girls were there? There were 2 girls. So we can write it as 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we can say that division is splitting or dividing the objects in equal groups. Let's take another example. We have some marbles on the screen. Can you count them? Yes, there are 12 marbles. Let's make a group of 12 marbles. Let's represent it as division fact. How can we represent it? We can represent it as total marbles divided by number of groups is equal to number of marbles in a group. So let's make one group. How many marbles are there in the group? Yes, we have 12 marbles. So we can write it as 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. What does it mean? Do you know? Yes, it means that we have one group of 12 marbles. Now let's see a different scenario. We will make 2 groups of 12 marbles and represent it as division fact. Let's see what we need to do here. How many marbles are there? Yes, it's the same 12 marbles. And how many groups we need to make? Yes, we need to make 2 groups. Therefore, the equation will be total marbles divided by number of groups is equal to number of marbles in each group. So let's make 2 groups each containing equal marbles. We have 12 marbles divided by number of groups is 2. How many marbles are there in each group? Yes, we have 6 marbles in a group. Here we write it as 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Again, what does this mean? It means that we have 2 groups of 6 marbles each. Now let's see, if we make 3 groups, how can it be represented in division fact? Again, as we know, there are 12 marbles. How many groups we need to make? Yes, we need to make 3 groups. The total number of marbles divided by number of groups is equal to number of marbles in each group. Now let's make 3 groups each containing equal marbles. What we need to do is, we will divide the total number of marbles, that is 12, divided by number of groups we need to make, that is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, how many marbles do we have in each group? Yes, we have 4 marbles in each group. What does this mean? Yes, it means that we have 3 groups of 4 marbles. Now let's see, if we need to make 4 groups of 12 marbles, how can it be represented in division fact? What should we do? What we need to do here is, we have 12 marbles which has to be divided into 4 equal groups. Therefore, coming back to the equation, total number of marbles divided by number of groups will be equal to number of marbles in each group. So let's make 4 groups each containing equal marbles. We have 12 total marbles and the number of groups which we need to make is 4. How many marbles are there in each group? Yes, we have 3 marbles in each group. Here we write it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. What does this mean? Yes, it means that we have 4 groups of 3 marbles each. Now let's make 6 groups of 12 marbles and represent it as division fact. How can we represent it? Yes, we can represent it as total marbles divided by number of groups is equal to number of marbles in each group. So let's make 6 groups each containing equal marbles. We know the total number of marbles is 12 and the number of groups which we need to make is 6. Therefore, how many marbles are there in each group? Yes, it's 2. So we can write it as 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. And what does this statement mean? Exactly. It means we have 6 groups of 2 marbles. Now let's make 12 groups of 12 marbles and represent it as division fact. How can we represent it? Yes. Total marbles divided by number of groups is equal to number of marbles in each group. Here we write it as 12 divided by 12 is yes, 1. And what does this mean? It means we have 12 groups of 1 marble each. Happy learning!